I kid you not, this is not clickbait, but there is one thing that almost everyone does on YouTube or has been doing forever that is going to start hurting your channel's ability, your video's ability to get pushed out in front of everyone else. And that is affiliate links. Now, hold on. Here's what's going on. So affiliate links are a huge part of the creator economy. I've been using them for years and years and years. I highly, highly recommend, even as a small creator, getting into the affiliate economy. It is a great way to make money, even if you have a tiny channel, okay? But YouTube saw this. And anytime YouTube sees people making money, YouTube's like, where's my cut? Now, here's the problem with affiliate links. Affiliate links take people off platform. What does YouTube hate more than anything else? They hate it when you send people off platform. In fact, the best way for your videos to go completely viral is if people watch your video and then watch other videos. If your videos make people stay on platform and watch other videos, they will get promoted. But if you've got affiliate links that send people off platform, YouTube's going to go, I don't know about that. They're not too thrilled when that happens. But there is a solution, and of course, that solution puts money in YouTube's pocket, and that's YouTube shopping. Okay? Now, right now, YouTube shopping is fantastic. I've seen many situations where YouTube affiliate dollars are much higher than the affiliate percentages you will get working directly with those brands. I kid you not, if you're not using YouTube shopping, you are missing out. Now, what's the difference? Well, traditional affiliate links are, okay, I have this. I'm just going to grab something off my desk. My Fantech blower. I use this for all my video productions. It's just your typical little mini air duster kind of thing. If you haven't seen these, think about the canned air kind of stuff, but this is rechargeable, and I never have to buy canned air again. Okay, I can't turn it upside down and freeze anybody with it. That's one of the downsides. But that said, I can dust myself off. I can dust off the camera and lens and my desk, and I use it for almost every day. I use it daily. And it's by Fantech. There are more powerful ones out there, but there's not really ones that are better made. I like this one. Full disclosure, Fantech did send this to me. They sent me a bunch of other stuff. But that's not the point here. The point is, say I'm doing a video, I'm doing a product review, and I'm like, this is the best air duster in the whole world. You should buy this air duster, right? Link down below. You've all seen those videos, right? Well, that link takes people off platform. YouTube doesn't like that. So if you use a YouTube affiliate, YouTube shopping link, that's the one where it appears right down here. There, I think I got it right. Anyway, you're seeing it on screen. Hopefully you're seeing it on screen right now. That is what YouTube would prefer. And if you're using YouTube shopping, that gives YouTube the warm fuzzies. And guess what they're going to do? They're going to promote that video. Why? Because not only are they getting ad revenue, they're getting a percentage of that commission. So now you're really partnering with YouTube. So if you want to make sure that your videos aren't getting, I won't call it shadow banned, or how about this? If you want to get preferential treatment, that's a better way of putting it. I don't think YouTube's going to push down the other videos so much as lift up the videos with YouTube shopping. And here's how I know this. So on my other channel that's a little bit bigger, and maybe I've got a few more subscribers, just a tiny bit more subscribers than this channel, I have a YouTube partner manager. So I have somebody I can talk to. And I can tell you that 90% of the conversations somehow get turned into, are you using YouTube shopping? Have you tried YouTube shopping? Did you do the YouTube shopping? Lady, you know I'm doing YouTube shopping. She knows who she is. And if you see this, you know I'm pulling your tail on this one. But my last program manager, she was just YouTube shopping, YouTube shopping, YouTube. Oh my gosh. They even sent me a light up YouTube shopping sign. I don't know what I did with it. It was kind of cheesy. But they really want you to use YouTube shopping. Now, the second thing that really keyed me into this was I just had a chance to go and talk to a major, one of the biggest retailers in the United States. And while talking to them, they were like, you need to be using YouTube shopping. It's all about YouTube shopping. I would have thought they would be like, no, go off platform, use our links and send people to our site. They're like, no, you need to use YouTube shopping. That's how this is all going to work. And I realized that YouTube and these retailers are making agreements behind the scenes. That's where it's going to go, which means YouTube wants you to use YouTube Shopping. So you need to move away from the links and get people to use the pop on screen. Now, if you're on mobile, it's really nice. If you're on mobile, it pops up right on your screen. You can just click on it and it takes you right there. On television, it shows a QR code like right around here. And you could take your phone and you take a picture with it, or you go to the camera app and it pops up, and then you click that and it takes you to the website. Here's the thing. For a lot of the younger folks, they get that super quick. They totally understand it. A lot of my audience, a little bit older, kind of like me, a little bit slower, kind of like me. You might have to educate them a bit, do a little bit of a song and dance like, hey, by the way, don't forget to use the QR code or the links on your mobile app. We're no longer using URLs down below. It's much faster, much easier this way. So if you're trying to find the links, just pull out your phone and do a little quick tutorial. But put it down in the corner and let it play down there, and then they can sit there and they can see that, and that's going to help them learn how to use this system better. Because in 2026, this is going to be the way to do it. And if you try to do it the old way, I don't think you're going to get promoted the way your videos and your channels used to be. Anyway, if you like this information, if it helped you out, why don't you go ahead and chomp the old like button, smash that subscribe, ring the bell on the way out. You all take care, God bless, and as always, shine on.